if you're new here, my name is Lizzie, also known as Curvy Girl Cruising, and I'm a cruise ship singer who is on her 4th contract at sea. So that is so nice. I literally got this coffee. It's a peppermint coffee. I was like, do you know what, my birthday's been and done, I'm gonna allow Christmas to start to like feed into my body a little bit. So I started with a peppermint mocha kind of thing. Absolute perfection, couldn't be happier. We're here, it's another week, let's vlog about it. It's crazy to think now that my family have been and gone, and the next time I see them will be at the end of the contract. I leave March 2nd, it's now the halfway mark. Me and Wayne are going to meet up shortly and talk about Christmas rehearsals, because we're going to do the Christmas stuff together, and then I need to edit all the footage from my family being on board and then when my mum stayed for my birthday. It is day 2 because yesterday was embarkation, and I won't lie to you, I was a little bit sad that my mum left. It was all very overwhelming. I literally said goodbye to her, went to Walmart, did e-mustering, then came back, had a little cry, had a shower, and went to work. If you haven't and you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,500 by the end of the year. If we can get to 1,500 by the end of the year, that would be insane, because that means I've gained 1,000 people since this time last year. I'm gonna drink more of this peppermint mocha and go to the open deck. Good morning, well, it is half moon K day. I'm not gonna get off the ship today just because I've woken up a little bit late. So what I'm gonna do is a load of laundry, get some breakfast, do some editing, get a coffee. I think today is a productive day. I like feel it in my bones. I'm not gonna go to the gym because I'm not feeling still 100% vocally, and sometimes if my breathing's just a little bit off, I don't want to mess with it. But tomorrow's a day off, so after that day off, let's hit the gym properly. But for now, let's go get some breakfast. No. Hey all, sorry, I've not really vlogged much. I have to go do a drill. Good morning. Drill is finished. Now to get breakfast before the entertainment department meeting. Let's go.
Bingo! Thank you for your short and sweet time here to you two.
I actually got a bit of a different duty today. Basically, we have a crew bingo happening at the end of the month, and it is actually on the entertainment department to do so. So today I have bingo sales 12 till 1 with the band. So let's run downstairs to the I-95 and try and sell some bingo tickets. Let's go. Money, money, money. Bingo time!
You know why we don't need you?
What do we do? We need them! Things in life are free. I want the money! That's what I want! Done. Now I've just found out that I have a package. Alicia, who is one of the rock band singers, you will have seen her in the studio stuff, and we're actually doing a bit of traveling in the vacation break together, so you'll see more of her. But she sent me a little something for my birthday, so I'm gonna open it up. I'm a little bit worried because they said there was contraband in it, but she's promised me that there isn't, so I don't know what they think they saw, but let's go for it. Oh my god, this looks a little thing. Oh, she's gonna make me cry. You cannot see this. I know this one's really cheesy. The older I've got, the more I've realized like some friendships don't have to be for like years and years and years for them to be absolutely magical. And yeah, I could cry, like, yeah. What a good flipping egg and a good present. You can't see what the last one is though. That is just, it's naughty. You're not allowed to see it. I'll see you later on. Bye. Hey all, so haven't really updated you, but I've got ready for work. I really need to wash my hair. Tonight is a hair wash day. But we are going to try some new songs for the acoustic set before Motown. So I'm going to bring you along and see if I can chuck you somewhere. Behind the curtain, there's a drum.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys doing tonight? Everybody doing good?
They say how bad they'll never make it.
I am in your arms. I find it hard to believe whenever. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York.
My heart knows me better than I know myself, so I'm gonna let it do all the talking. Well, I came across a place in the middle of nowhere, the big black horse and a cherry tree. Ooh, oh no, you're not the one for me. Sometimes magic happens, sometimes it doesn't, but that was okay for a first time ever doing it.
This bit is just going to be for G so that she knows that we've been talking about her in the vlogs. That is it. That's the only bit now.
She loves it. She does.
She loves it. G, if you're watching, comment now.
Yeah, comment.
Comment now. Do it now. What did you have for dinner today?
Nothing yet.
No, that was really cool and fun for the vlog. Thank you so very much. I appreciate that. I said, what did you have for dinner? And you went, nothing. Nothing.
You know what I did for dinner?
What'd you have?
A platter of your babies.
I was like, right, Motown 1. Well, we'll see you after work. Or maybe next set.
Someday.
Or someday, maybe later.
I'll miss you.
I miss you. Love you. Bye.
After the rush, now is the perfect time to start making your way on over. Remember, our gangway is at the middle of the ship and at the front.
Today we were in Amber Cove, but I actually didn't get off today. I had a bit of a blur day. Wasn't feeling 100%, but I have just had a quick FaceTime with home. It is snowing back in the UK, so I'm a little bit jealous, a little bit sad because I've not been at home for like the winter season for a very long time. It was really nice to see, but obviously it made me a little bit sad. Tonight is country night, so I'm just getting ready for that now, and then I've just done my laundry as well, which is good. But I'm gonna watch some Hell's Kitchen. I've got some orange and pineapple juice here, and then yeah, let's go and do country music tonight.
And the only reason I agreed to do this song is because the day off is coming up very soon, and the song Hurts So Bad, but it just conveniently is also called It Hurts So Bad at the same time. So.
Good morning. We are just about to dock in San Juan, but I have my evaluation beforehand, so I'm gonna make myself a quick coffee and run and go and do that with John, and then let's see what today brings, because I think we're doing a little band lunch outside, so Let's go.
She's not crying, sure. She's my sweet little baby.
Oh wow, he's so pretty.
Welcome to the hood, ladies and gentlemen. Give us the money.
Hello, my friend. Ah, okay. Chicken mofongo. Chicken mofongo. What do you have, Andres? And what do you have?
Lamb ribs, baby.
Oh, giri, giri, giri.
That is.
Are we gonna cheers? Something.
You guys have a lovely day today in Port San Juan. Has a lovely day.
We had a lovely day.
We had a lovely day.
We actually had a lovely day. We had a really lovely day.
Lovely day. You don't know, baby. You kiss me softly, it's the sweetest thing.
Nobody knows it.
Don't you remember?
Oh, come on.
Don't you remember?
Okay, so went out into St. Martin for a little bit today, and then actually I had a rehearsal with some of the cast because tomorrow we have an entertainment bingo, and basically a few of us are doing like an opening dance thing, so you'll see that tomorrow. It's gonna be interesting. But I'm gonna quickly run downstairs because I need to go pick up my new bank card, and then I'm going for dinner with the boys to celebrate the day off. So let's go to the dining room as a little band.
Showtime! That's the tricky. That's a tricky one.
So you wanna know? No man.
Get away! You're gonna go down, you're gonna go down.
Hi vlog, we're gonna be sexy now. Sexy show.
Sexy, eat a sexy shirt.
Okay,
Let's do it.
because this is a sexy number, not a sexy show, a sexy number.
Oh god.
She's stuck on a hanger.
We're doing this with cats out there.
Woo! got the vintage roll. Out the door, hey. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Technique. Boom. That's my technique. That's my technique. Do. I can block that leg too. Cost a million to cut that bow. Bam, 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 bam. The way I feel it, Jenny got taken over me. Everybody's getting so crazy, babe. Fix my hair, right, left, down, now, bow, hair, go get fun. Everything. Alright, bingo.
For myself, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
And it. I want to say, ooh.
Ooh.
G56. In for 5. You look behind me. I know I'm beautiful and you can't see. I'll be Vanna White. Bing, bing, bing. No, this is what you have to have. Please take it with you. I'm afraid to go.
Wayne, what do you need? What do you need?
And
064.
Yeah.
N40 and 06.
Faster. People have like 3 cards. Everyone make some noise.
Oh,
Cappuccino.